How to log into Canva accounts. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, launch your web browser on your device and search for canva.com with the help of the web address bar at top of your screen. Press enter, then you will reach on the official interface of Canva, where you'll see Login and Sign Up button at top right corner. To log in into Canva, click Login button at top right corner of your screen. A menu pop-up where you will see various options and ways to continue. Simply you can continue with Google, Facebook or email ID or simply you can continue another way. For now, let's choose Google and enter our Google account. And then you need to enter all the credentials and you are good to go. You have successfully logged in into Canva. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.